Hello parents, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you all the NCF syllabus for grade 1. NCF is nothing but National Curriculum Framework, and this syllabus includes 6 subjects, that is English, Maths, Health and Physical Education, Values and Citizenship Education, Arts, Information and Communication Technology. So let's get started. At the end of grade 1, your child should be able to recognize the English language and also identify familiar sounds from the environments, then demonstrate understanding of simple instructions and directions. If you give them some instructions and directions, they should be able to understand. Then demonstrate understanding of simple questions. If you ask them some questions, they should be able to answer. Then next, show appreciation of short oral text. If you give them some rhymes, they should be able to tell the rhymes, and also they should be able to identify the rhyming words in those rhymes. Next is speaking. Demonstrate willingness to join in oral activities. They should be show interest in the oral activities. Then they should know to introduce themselves. Then they should know to pronounce words accurately with support. Like with their parents' support, they should be able to pronounce some words. Then use common greetings and polite words. Then begin to name items related to everyday. They should be able to name the items which we use in our daily lives. Then begin to name actions and feelings. Angry, happy, these types of actions and feelings they should be able to recognize. Then name the days of the week. Begin to use pronouns. Then begin to use common question words. Then begin to respond to simple yes no questions. Then begin to state position using basic prepositions. Then begin to vary information according to purpose. This is all comes under the speaking. In the reading part, your child should be able to demonstrate understanding that print contains a message. Then show interest on reading activities. Then recognize and name alphabets. Differentiate between capital and small letters. Demonstrate awareness of basic conversations of text. Provide personal response to a story. Demonstrate phonemic awareness. So your child should be able to read, recognize and understand these topics. Next comes the writing part. In writing part, your child should be able to hold the pencil properly. Then while writing, they should sit properly. They should adopt the correct sitting posture. Then write the letters of the alphabet. Then begin to recognize word and sentence boundaries. Copy simple words and sentences with support. Complete simple words and sentences with support. With parent support, they should be able to copy simple words and complete simple words and sentences. Then begin to use basic punctuation marks. Type letters of the alphabet on a computer. This is all comes under the writing part. So your child should be able to understand all these topics. So this is about the English syllabus, and now let's see about the math syllabus. In maths, your child should be able to recognize, read and write the numbers 0 to 10 in numerals and in words. Then count and write the number of objects in a given group up to 10. Then match numerals to number of items and vice versa. Then recognize and use ordinal numbers and name of the position of a member in a queue up to the 5th position. Then add two numbers. Sum should not exceed 10. Then identifying and complete patterns involving numbers. Then solve simple mathematical tasks involving addition of two numbers. Next comes the shapes. Your child should be able to recognize and name colors and shapes. Draw and name 2D shapes like circle, rectangle, triangle and square. Identify and compare shapes in the environment. Sort out objects in a given set according to one attribute like color, size and shape. Next, identifying and complete patterns involving colors and shapes. Next is measures. Your child should be able to recognize and name coins up to rupees 10. Then decompose coins up to rupees 10. Then distinguish between time concepts, example day, night, morning, afternoon, evening. Then sort out and compare objects according to length and mass. So this is about the math syllabus. Next is health and physical education. Adopting healthy eating habits like identify the main meals, wash hands before and after eating, recognize the importance of eating a variety of foods, observe table manners, choose healthy food, then appreciate and enjoy the meals. Next, establish daily habits for caring of their body. Practice personal hygiene. Observe procedure to avoid spread of infectious disease, sneezing, coughing, hand washing, etc. Then take responsibility for own body care. Next, safety and injury prevention. In this, your child should be able to identify the dangers in their environment like home, school, road, with the pets and while playing games. Then recognize potentially hazardous objects. Then manage own safety. Next, movement concepts and skills. Engage actively in gross motor skills and perform fine motor activities. Then, health related fitness. Carry out simple coordinated movements, balance, and strength activities. Identify and perform activities that require strength and flexibility, including simple breathing exercises and stretching. Fourth subject is values and citizenship education. Identify some values our society upholds. Example, honesty, respect for the elders. Next, demonstrate values. Example, honesty and sincerity. Show respect for self and others. Listen to others and be polite. Show care and compassion. Demonstrate the ability to work and live cooperatively. Describe what is good and wrong. Understand their responsibilities as children. Example, taking care of themselves and of their belongings. Demonstrate good citizenship behaviors. Develop a sense of national identity and belonging. Love and pride for the country. Next subject is arts. In this, first comes the visual arts. Use basic manipulative skills, techniques and process in a few media with confidence to communicate ideas through images. Then use imagination to make creative and innovative pictures. Then show basic understanding of sequence, repeat and pattern. Then demonstrate basic technical skills and process to provide simple 3D objects and experiment with textures. So this is about the visual arts. Next is performing arts like music, dance and drama. Sing simple songs, play instruments to accompany songs, then explore a wide range of musical and non-musical sounds. Then recognize and create simple rhythmic patterns. Then move in a variety of ways using different body parts. Use gestures and expressions to express feelings, moods and ideas. Imitate speech pattern and voice modulation. Use senses to describe objects and situations. So this is all about the art syllabus. The sixth subject is information and communication technology. Your child should be able to use the mouse and keyboard to perform basic computing tasks, then show an understanding of the computer system, perform editing task on a document using a word processing software, navigate from one web page to another using hyperlinks, then interact with the media playing interface by playing simple preloaded games, movies or music. Make simple colored pictures or patterns using a graphic program. Then sit properly in front of a computer. Then adopt proper safety behaviors in the computer room. So this is about the first grade NCF syllabus. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.